Bullish BCH cost expectation for 2023 is $130.90 to $166.60. Bitcoin money cost could reach $200 soon. Bearish BCH cost expectation for 2023 is $87. In this Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023, we will examine the value examples of BCH by utilizing exact dealer cordial specialized examination pointers and furthermore foresee the future development of the digital currency. What is Bitcoin money? Bitcoin money is a distributed electronic cash framework that expects to turn into a confided and worldwide cash with quick installments, miniature commissions, security, and high exchange limit. Similarly, as actual cash, for example, dollar greenbacks, is moved straightforwardly to the beneficiary, Bitcoin money installments are sent straightforwardly from one individual to another. Bitcoin money is a type of digital currency basically the same as Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin money is a fork of Bitcoin because of the split of the chain where a specific gathering of Bitcoin engineers isn't happy with the overall bearing of Bitcoin's versatility. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 Bitcoin money positions 28th on CoinMarketCap in conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Bitcoin money cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time period. In the above diagram, Bitcoin money spread out an even channel example, level channel otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the level channel is shaped during the cost combination. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. A flat channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in combination. At the hour of examination, the cost of Bitcoin money was recorded at $120.66. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of BCH could arrive at the obstruction levels of $119.50, $148.60, and $229.20 on the off chance that the pattern switches. The cost of BCH might tumble to the help of $96, according to the above investigation. On the off chance that Bitcoin money's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its opposition level of $166.60. On the other hand, assuming Bitcoin money's bears rule the pattern, the cost of BCH could plunge to $87. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength file of Bitcoin money are displayed in the graph beneath. The specialized examination marker relative volume is utilized to quantify the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is regularly determined by separating the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Additionally, it helps dealers in distinguishing uncommon exchanging movement and changes market feeling. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Bitcoin money was found underneath the end line. Consequently, it means a frail volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This energy pointer is utilized to streamline cost information and recognize patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout recent days. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, and whenever laid underneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Eminently, in the above diagram, the BCH cost lies under 50 MAMA, showing its downtrend. Subsequently, BCH is in a negative state. Albeit this is the present status, a pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the general strength list. Essentially, this examination marker assists merchants with deciding the strength and force of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by looking at the typical additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Consequently, the readings over 70 show an overbought state, and under 30 demonstrate an oversold state. Essentially, merchants frequently utilize the RSI to distinguish potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's course. For example, on the off chance that a resource is in an upswing and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might recommend that the resource is expected for a pullback or rectification. On the other hand, on the off chance that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might recommend a likely inversion. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of BCH is like that of BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of BCH additionally increments or diminishes separately. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation pointers and pattern designs. Let us anticipate the cost of Bitcoin money somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2024 in the event that bulls rule the value force and pattern designs. Bitcoin money could effectively test and outperform its opposition levels to hit $215 by 2024. Bitcoin Money Cost Expectation 2025. The critical updates in the Bitcoin money environment could convince the section of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Bitcoin money cost to reach $220 by 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2026. If Bitcoin money effectively tests its significant obstruction levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then, at that point, it would mobilize to hit $225. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. If Bitcoin money supports significant obstruction levels and stands as a superior speculation choice on the lookout, then BCH would mobilize to hit $229. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. If Bitcoin money holds a positive market feeling in the midst of the profoundly unpredictable crypto market by driving huge cost rally, then, at that point, BCH would hit $235 by 2028. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Bitcoin money, then the crypto would observe significant spikes. Subsequently, BCH could hit $237 by 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, the BCH cost could mobilize to $240 in the event that the pattern force adjusts for Bitcoin money. Moreover, BCH would hold a positive market feeling and be named as a drawn-out venture with exceptionally productive return on initial capital investment. And if Bitcoin money secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be good for the digital currency. All in all, the bullish Bitcoin money cost expectation for 2023 is $166.60. Nearly. The negative Bitcoin money cost expectation for 2023 is $87. In the event that there is a positive height in the market force and financial backers feeling, then Bitcoin money could hit $200. Besides, with future redesigns and headways in the Bitcoin money environment, BCH could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $4,355.62 in market's new ATH. FAQ 1. What is Bitcoin money? Bitcoin money is a distributed electronic cash framework that expects to turn into a confided and worldwide cash with quick installments, miniature commissions, protection, and high exchange limit. 2. Where could you at any point purchase Bitcoin money? Dealers can exchange Bitcoin money on the accompanying digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, Deepcoin, CoinW, and Bitrue. 3. Will Bitcoin money record another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Bitcoin money stage, Bitcoin money has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Bitcoin money?